بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. This is our program Spirit of Values and this is Dr. Tariq Rashid. In this episode we will discuss the concept of the team, the value of a team. What are the main characteristics of a good team? We are always born as individuals, but then in life we should go as one team. We will discuss in this episode the concept of team building. What do we mean by team building? How to build a good team. And usually they say the following: team, together, everyone achieves more. So how to start believing in the team? How can we actually go as one team in life? And usually in all our relations, you will find a team always there. In homes, in schools, in universities, at work, in the society, we always go like one team. So let's start thinking of the following question together. 1 plus 1 should equal how much? 1 plus 1. So they always think that 1 plus 1, as mathematicians say, should be 2. This is in finance, in mathematics. But in life, 1 plus 1 should equal 1. What do you mean by 1? One goal, one direction when we go as a team. Now, usually, let's discuss what we call the pyramid of mentalities. We have 3 mentalities during our life. We start with what we call dependency mentality. Dependency mentality. In this mentality, you is the main concept. We are born as kids. We depend on others, on our parents, on our elder brothers and sisters. So the concept of you around us will help us by this mentality, dependency mentality. Usually, since birth up to 12 to 14 years old, we are totally dependent. Then becomes the second mentality, which is the independency mentality. Independency mentality means I start now thinking of the I. And here, when we reach teenagers, we usually think of the I. It's not the ego rather than the concept of I am now independent. And usually this continues up to age of 22 years old. Then logically, we should go to the interdependency mentality. Interdependency mentality, in which I plus you equals we. Life is we. You cannot go in life alone. We should believe in others. So in this episode, what are the main characteristics of a good team? How to be team able? This is what we are going to discuss further in this episode. So again, together, everyone achieves more. In this episode, we will learn how to build a good team. What are the characteristics of a team and how can we do it? Through a team, we can achieve a good purpose. Through a team, we can actually depend on each other to continue the journey, whether in personal life or in organizational life. So it's always 1 plus 1 should equal 1. What does it mean to be team able? First, we should work well together on a level of playing field. This field could be the family, could be the society, could be the organization. All around the world, you will find yourself surrounded by others. How can we contribute knowledge, experience? How can we get benefit from each other? This is the concept of a team. But we should be patient because sometimes you will find people who are totally different than your characteristics. So how to combine, how to be able to go through a team. And here we have to differentiate between 2 different concepts, group and a team. Although both means that we have some people and members, but there is a main difference between a group and a team. A group is some sort of people, but they don't share a common goal. They are just there working as if they are working together, but actually they did not reach the concept of a team. A team means one vision, one direction, all efforts in order to achieve one common goal. And we finish the game together when we actually believe in the team. So the challenge for all leaders, how can we look for different people in different directions and then move towards one direction? This is the concept of a team, but it is a challenge. How can we convince people with different skills, different attitudes, different characters in order to move in the same direction? This is a challenge, but it is a very important value for each of us to believe in team. How can we start building a good team? We have to know the people, the individuals who are sharing the same playing field. How can we combine the skills, abilities together in order we can achieve? So my strength and your strength, we can achieve a purpose. I have weaknesses and you have weaknesses, but with my strength, I can cover your weaknesses, and with your strength, you can cover my weaknesses, and we go together in order to build a good team. So we have to match the talents, the skills together, and let's try it. Always believe in the team. Don't believe in yourself. Because if you believe only in I, you will lose in life. In marriage, it's we. In the field of business, it's we. In society, it's we. Always we should lead the concept. So the condition of a good team, we have to coach individuals and people in order they start believing in the concept of we. Monitor the team conditions, and we have to start building a good team. How can we enhance the team ability? Well, first, please ask yourself, do you believe in others or you believe more in yourself? In a team, we have to believe in others. We have to believe in the concept of a team. Be honest. Honesty actually will result in trust. And if you get back to our episodes, we have discussed the value of trust. When trust is there, everything will be achieved. So be honest with the team, believe in the team, and be who you are equally to everyone. In a team, we are all equal in order to achieve one common goal. And if you have the ability to lead, we have to inspire others to actually explore the inner energy in order to achieve purpose. So, team building skills. First, you have to develop a realistic assignment. Don't stress people with assignments and tasks that they cannot do. So, be realistic. If you are the team leader, in assigning the tasks, be realistic. But match up with the team talent. Some people are talented in, for example, technical issues. Some people are talented in physical issues. When we combine all talents together, we can move as a team. And actually, they said we have 9 types of intelligences. If you can combine all these intelligences to match the team purpose, this is a great job leaders will always do. Provide effective leadership through inspiration. And you can get back to one of the episodes in which we discuss the value of leadership. Leaders believe in the team. Leaders direct team towards achieving one purpose and one goal. Also, adequate resources are needed. Always, if you get back also to the episode of management. Management is the art of facilitating getting results through providing resources. People now believe in a team. We have to facilitate their job by providing adequate resources in order to be able to achieve the common goal. Sometimes we need to coach people in order that we can actually direct their energy towards the common goal. So summing up, how can we build a team? Team ability is the apex of performance. We will achieve together the highest level of performance come from individuals directed towards one goal. Team exists for a purpose. If we achieve the purpose, then we achieve the concept of a team towards achieving a common goal, and then we celebrate the end together when we reach the concept of a team. How can we experience actually in supervising the team? Provide a vision. Always leaders will clarify the vision for the team. And just to say that leadership is the art of influencing followers to achieve a goal, a common vision. So there is always the leaders who can clarify and provide a clear vision for their team. But we have to reinforce the behaviors of different people together in order to reach this common goal. Then if we have inappropriate behaviors, we have to be strict. We have actually to confront inappropriate behaviors that may lead to what we call team deficiency in some of the attitudes. Also, we have to provide the purpose, the consistency of the team in order to achieve a common goal. And again, coaching is highly needed by leaders in order to let others believe in the team. We will find in life people who believe in themselves. They think that alone I can go better than with others, but we have to coach them. We have to actually see how can we convince them to go as one team in one direction. So what is the team structure now? What is the common structures of good teams? First, as I mentioned, there is a total difference between team and a group. Team has a structure. A group, just people gathering together, maybe seems that they work in one direction, but actually they are not. So members of a team are selected to complete each other for one purpose. Members of a team are dependent upon each other. Alone, I cannot do it. You by yourself, you cannot do it, but I and you, we can achieve it. Teams always work towards shared objective, communicate formally within and with the management in order to be able to achieve the goals as well as the objectives. But how can we do it? Each one of us has different role. When we combine the different roles of team members, then we can achieve the purpose. So let's think together, what are the major differences between a group and a team? Actually, there are lots of points in which we have differences between the concept of a group and a team. Although both have lots of people or a group of people, but a group is totally different. Let's see what are the major differences between a group and a team. So first, if we look to the group have a manager who actually dominates, controls the issues, while in a team we have a good leader. And in leadership, if you go back to the episode of leadership, we discussed different roles of a good leader. One of the roles of a good leader is facilitator. So usually in a team, you will find the leader who will facilitate the team. Also, the leader is the coach of the team. Coaching is actually inspiring the team members to achieve a common goal. In a group, the goals are set by the organization, and usually they become top-down level of communication. While the goals in a team are set by team members, then discussed with the team leader, and then the organization will discuss with all team members the goals and will support them, facilitate their performance. Manager conducts the meetings, while in a team we have open meetings and we discuss freely our points of view with the team leader, with the other team members to reach a common goal and common understanding. Manager assigns the work. Leader will always facilitate. Individual emphasis, while in a team, leaders always emphasize the value of a team. We together, for sure, we will achieve. Competition is between individuals, while there is no competition except we compete as a team in order to achieve the goal. And usually the team plans, work, and assignments are set by the team members, and they emphasize the concept of a team, and we do it as we cooperate together rather than being individualistic. Also, the communication here is top down, while in the team it's down top communication, and leaders will facilitate the job per team. Information always hoarded by the group, while we share information in a team, because sharing others with the information will facilitate their performance as well as their job. Decisions here are made by managers, while decision here is doing by the team. So the concept of a team and a group in communication is the following. We have top-down communication. Top-down communication usually in a group. Management will give directions, will issue decisions, and individuals will just do it and implement it. While in a team, it's down-top communication. So down-top communication, the team will meet, agree on some sort of tasks and objectives, and this will be raised to top management and leaders who will facilitate the job of the team. Also, we have what we call cross-communication between different teams. So sometimes we have lots of teams, but at the end, we should believe that all together we will achieve a common purpose for our teams. Now, in building a good team, we go through what we call a 4-stage level for building a good team. This is called the FSNP model. Forming a team, storming, then norming, then we start performing. This model we will discuss in the next episode, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.